What's up, everybody? Brian with Frugal Footprint here. We had so many more branches fall in this most recent storm. It took off 4 or 5 huge branches from our willow tree. We took a bunch of the leaves off with clippers. This is just all the branches. Now I'm gonna go through with the chainsaw, just chop everything up. All right, that pile's more or less chopped up. Next up, amount of these ones back here. Well, I'm having some fun out here. Just gonna keep it going. All right, well, I've cut through most of it. Some of these bigger ones that just fell are still pretty wet, so it's kind of gumming up the blade. Plus, I haven't been the most careful, kind of, chopping into the soil a bit, so the blade's gotten quite dull at this point. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stack up what I've cut for now and let the rest dry, and then maybe we'll split it over the winter. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a chainsaw sharpening video. If so, I'll go ahead and do it. Let me know any other thoughts you have. Hit that like button, subscribe for more. We've got firewood for days, my friends. Firewood for many, many, many days. I'll see you on the next video.